React to what happened, not to what you asked for. Webhooks push signed events the moment something happens on chain. Register a URL, subscribe to the events you care about, and DALP calls you when a transfer settles or an approval clears. You write the handler. We own the delivery loop. Every event runs the same path. The platform signs the payload, posts it to your endpoint, and a 2xx response marks it delivered. If your server is briefly down, DALP retries on its own and records every attempt. Retries back off and spread out. Roughly 30 seconds, then 60, then 120, with jitter so consumers don't recover all at once. DALP keeps trying for up to 3 days, then fires a loud signal. Nothing is dropped in silence. Delivery is at least once. After an outage, your handler may see the same event twice, so key it on the stable event ID. A duplicate lookup costs microseconds. Acting twice on a transfer can cost far more. Every request follows the standard webhook spec. It carries a webhook ID, a timestamp, and a V1 signature over the ID, the timestamp, and the raw body. Verify it with your endpoint secret before you process a byte, and reject anything older than 5 minutes. Each URL gets its own filtered view of the stream. Transfers, compliance, deployments, custody, subscribe per URL, so a back-office consumer never sees a custody signing request. DALP protects a failing endpoint. After 30 consecutive failures, the breaker opens and holds new events. 2 clean probe deliveries bring it back. Test events never touch that count. Register a URL. We own the delivery loop. Start your journey on SettleMint.com.